If you want to know and make sure that your content will rank in different search engines like Google, this video is for you. My name is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will reveal secret tip experts are using to rank their content on different search engines like Google. Things you can apply in your content to rank on Google fast and easy. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. If you want to update on SEO, virtual assistant tips, freelancer tips, social media, automation for your business, small business strategy, and digital marketing. Let's get started. Faster and easy. Things you can apply. So this is Mr. Neil Patel's work for keyword SEO copywriting. So this is the search phrase that I inserted inside the search bar, and this is Neil Patel's work or position on Google. So let us check out first Google's information on relevancy, which is very important for an optimized content for search engine. So how search algorithms work. At the end of the day, Google relies on artificial intelligence, and this AI works on relevancy for your content to decide if it will it is a useful information for query or search or usability of your page. This is Google information about relevancy or algorithm, the search algorithms inside Google. So Google's AI relies on relevancy. So these are useful results that presents to be helpful for the different search phrase that you are looking for users or what users are looking for. The ranking systems are made up of not only just one, but a whole series of algorithms. So it really is after or looking for useful information, which is relevance and the usability of the pages and the expertise of the sources, the location, and the setting. So if you go to Google and search for a particular keyword, Google's ultimate objective is to connect with you the most useful information as quickly as possible. So that information can take many forms. And over the years, the search result page has evolved to include not only a list of blue links to pages across the web, but also useful features to help you find what you're looking for even faster. So let us investigate Neil Patel's strategy on writing content to optimize for Google. So let us investigate how Mr. Neil Patel write content to optimize for Google. So I am going to use similar content. This tool is very useful, highly recommended for SEO writers. Highly recommended for SEO writers, and now we are going to investigate Neil Patel's content creation using similar content. So this is my dashboard inside, and we're going to create a new project. So my keyword that I will going to use for it is content writing for SEO, or let us just use this, SEO copywriting. Okay, so let us just put in here SEO copywriting. This tool, similar content, is what we're going to use to investigate Mr. Niels Patel's strategy on writing his very own content. So we are going to put SEO copywriting, and then next, click next, and then we are going to target United States as our target location, and language as English as our language. And then for the device, I'm going to choose desktop. Okay, we are going to create a new project for inside similar content. Okay, okay, almost done at 91%. Okay, I will show you how powerful similar content is when it comes to investigating highly optimized content. Okay, so now here is Neil Patel's work, and we're going to grab that URL and paste it inside our tool, which is this one. And then we're going to fetch text, which is this one. And then we're going to fetch text. There you go. So the similar content is now analyzing the content of Neil Patel's work on keyword SEO copywriting. So as you can see here, this the keyword coverage for this content is highly optimized. So 68.83 score for keyword coverage, and we are going to, with the use of this powerful tool, Ranking Predictor, we can analyze content for this particular keyword. We can analyze the content here. So we're going to click Analyze. Okay, there you go. Here is the relevance score. So this is the score of the relevancy of this particular content on Google. So as you can see here, for SEO copywriting, it got 64% score for relevancy. And then Google blog 60%, search engines 59%. So inside similar content, I will show you later the different service inside. So this is the score of the relevancy of this particular content on Google. So as you can see here, for SEO copywriting, it got 64% score for relevancy. And then Google blog 60%, search engines 59%. So inside similar content, I will show you later the different service inside similar content, but this is probably the most powerful tool inside similar content, the Ranking Predictor. So even before you've published your content, you will get the idea of how are you going to rank on Google and your search ranking position. Are you going to compete for this keyword? Are you going to rank for that particular keyword? So this ranking predictor will give you idea and will give you a score that will definitely give you idea if you are going to rank for that particular keyword. So if you are a content writer, you definitely know that SEO and your content go hand in hand. So they are like partner in crime. Without SEO, your content may be lost somewhere on page of the search engines or of the search results, and we all know that traffic on those pages is less than satisfactory. Okay, so that is why the relationship of SEO with your content is very important. So this ranking predictor will give you idea if you are going to rank for that particular keyword. So as you can see here, SEO writing, the relevance score for this particular keyword is 60%. And as you can see here, this is a very highly optimized content with the score of 68.83. So very powerful tool. Let us check the readability score for this particular content. Okay, rating is A, which is very, very good. And then Gunning Fog score is 9.8. Okay, anything above 12 is too hard for most people to read, so it is indexed as 7 or 8, so that is good. Rating would be 8. Reading time, speaking time, sentiments. Okay. Flash reading ease. Analyze the readability of technical material. A reading ease score of 60 to 70 is considered acceptable, normal for web copy. So we have here reading ease of 62%, which is very good. Okay, letter count, we have her. Okay. Terms inside. So this will show you how many times that particular term is mentioned inside the content. So ranking articles word was mentioned 9 times in here, and then process, and then rankings, intent, Google. So service word or phrase is inside here, inside the content, as well as okay, it can also generate subtopics. So similar content does not only offer the ranking predictor, it also has other features, such as they have the LSI keywords, wherein you can identify which words to include, or which words and phrases to include in your content. That will assure that search engines and your customers or your audience both understand. And then they also have the readability checker, wherein you can engage your audience with readable content. It will improve your site's SEO by making content more meaningful to search engines and more readable by your audience. And then they have their topic ideas generator. So if you're finding writing content for your website can be challenging or difficult, and you're not sure what to write, you can use the topic ideas generator. And then they also have other features, such as question analyzer, wherein you can find new content ideas by knowing what customers or your audience are asking about. And then they have their content rewriter. This is another very powerful feature of similar content. It will save you both your time and your energy and your money. to turn it into a dozens of unique human quality article. So this is really very good if you're doing some link building. And then they also have the headline analyzer, wherein this tool will analyze your headline to determine the emotional marketing value score. They also have backlinks difficulty. This is a function wherein you can check your backlink difficulty to your keywords, get an accurate representation of the number of links you need to rank in the search engine for a particular keyword. So if you are still on the fence, head over to their website and check their free trial, and you can grab the free trial before switching to a premium account. Thank you and good luck.